Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is December 7th, which is Thursday. And we had a really ugly day yesterday. We'll talk about that in a minute. Today, we have an 8:30 unemployment claims, which is red. Um, I don't have any opinion about this other than it will give us some more insight into what the economy is currently doing. So there you go. 10 a.m. we have final wholesale inventories month over month. Natural gas at 10:30. At 3 o'clock we have consumer credit month over month. So be aware. Only one red item today, pre-market at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So not a lot to talk about there. Moving on, daily chart. Ooh, look at yesterday. Yesterday it went up, failed, came down, and closed basically on the low or very close to it. However, we did not get a volume spike, so it's not too. I mean, this is just sideways crap. I mean, that's the only way to say it. Now, if we break the low right there, that low volume node of 45.45, that's my line in the sand. We break that low, it's going to get ugly. It can come down all the way down to 45.01. If we could manage to stay up today, I think we'll stay within this range, which means the top side of that is probably going to be about 4,600. So that's the story there from which way can it go. Taking a look at the inventory. Inventory was really ugly and the market was really ugly. So, I mean, that's exactly what's going on here. Correlated. We got 3 days of aggressive selling on inventory. Price action is down, but not out. Obviously, we're just in the bottom of that range. But this to me says it all. Lots of selling. Probably the smart money getting out for a break to the lower side. That would be my guess. Intraday, we have a very narrow intraday range. It's 48 to 62. That's not even 20 points. That's 16, 18, 17. Can't add this morning. 62 to 48 is 14 points. No, 12. 12 points. 14. I was right the first time. 14 points. Which is really narrow. So be worried about the narrow. The narrow makes me nervous because that means we are consolidated, and the more consolidation, the more energy is compressed. So that compression then will break out in one way or the other. You can see that actually the overnight action was less than 10 points until 7:30 this morning. So really tight action overnight. Again, to me, that's a little bit worrisome. Compression is never good. It means the longer it's compressed, the higher the energy break to the upside or to the downside. So kind of scary there. Stock Traders Almanac 57.1 for today. Where do we have support and resistance intraday? So resistance, there's some at 45.71, a little bit at 45.90, of course the 4,600. On the downside, where is support? There's some support at 45.51. We've talked about that level before. 45.35, some 45.10, and of course the whole number 4,500. Those are your intraday numbers. Again, 57.1 is the Stock Traders Almanac number, so is positive slightly for the day. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. Woohoo! Yeah, it's been a rough week. Remember to comment, like, and of course, the most important is to subscribe. Thanks. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.